Welcome to TechSolve. Today we will learn how to subscript in Google Docs. To start, open up your Google Docs document in your web browser. The subscript feature is basically used for mathematical formula. So for example, let's type in a mathematical formula here. 8 raised to power 2 equal to 64. Now, to make the 8 raised to power 2 sign, you select the number 2. Then, we click on the Format tab at the top of the screen. You click on Text. The options that appear, you select Superscript. Now, the 2 has been raised up to the power of 8. Now, to do the subscript, let's undo this. You select the 2, click on the Format tab, select Text, and you choose Subscript. Now, the 2 has been placed below the figure 8, which is now in base 2. So, that is how you do subscript and superscript in Google Docs. Ensure to give it a try and like the video and subscribe for more tips. See you next time, guys. Bye.